Tired of manually rebuilding your favorite stock lists every time you switch trading analysis platforms? In this quick tutorial, we'll seamlessly transfer your TickerTape watchlist to Tradingview in just a few easy steps, keeping your investment tracking on autopilot. First, open your TickerTape account and navigate to your saved watchlists. Pinpoint the specific watchlist you wish to export a circumflex euros, the one meticulously curated with all your important stocks and assets. Look for an export or download option associated with your watchlist. This is typically found near the watchlist name or within a menu of options for that particular list. Click on this button. TickerTape will then generate and download your watchlist as a CSV file. This is a universal format that most applications, including Tradingview, can easily understand. Save this file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it. Now, let's switch over to Tradingview. Once you're logged in, locate the watchlist panel on the right-hand side of your screen. If it's not visible, you can usually enable it through the menu options. Within the Tradingview watchlist panel, find the option to add new symbols. This often appears as a plus icon or a button labeled Add Symbol or Create New List. When you click to add symbols, a menu will likely appear. Look for an option that says Import or Upload List from a file. This is the key to bringing your TickerTape data into Tradingview. Clicking on Import will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Navigate to where you saved your TickerTape watchlist CSV file and select it. And just like that, your TickerTape watchlist is now fully replicated within Tradingview. You've successfully integrated your favorite assets across platforms, saving you valuable time and ensuring you never miss a beat in your market analysis.